Ever wondered how to transform your ordinary backyard into a stunning oasis? Well, the key is landscape design, a crucial component of home improvement that is often overlooked. It's about more than just planting a few flowers and calling it a day. It's about creating a harmonious balance between the natural environment and your personal style. A well-designed landscape can significantly increase your property's value. Picture this. A potential buyer is instantly impressed by the beautiful, well-kept outdoor space even before stepping inside your home. It's a powerful first impression that could seal the deal. But the benefits don't stop there. A thoughtfully planned landscape provides a better outdoor living space, perfect for hosting summer barbecues, enjoying quiet morning coffees, or simply unwinding after a long day. Plus, it significantly improves curb appeal, making your home the envy of the neighborhood. So, are you ready to turn your backyard into a paradise? Stay tuned as we dive into the steps of creating your dream landscape. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's start with the basics. Understanding your space is the foundation of any successful landscape design. It's about knowing the size, shape, and condition of your area. Is it large, small, rectangular, or irregular? Is the soil sandy or clay-like? What about the climate? Is it often sunny or does it rain frequently? These are all important questions to consider. The size and shape will guide the layout of your design, while the condition of the area will determine what kind of care and preparation it needs. The type of soil and climate will influence what plants will thrive in your landscape. And don't forget about the direction of sunlight. It can affect where you place certain elements in your design. Remember, a keen understanding of your space is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a landscape that works with nature, not against it. A keen understanding of your space sets the foundation for a successful landscape design. Now that you've assessed your space, it's time to let your creativity flow. Planning your design is like painting on a blank canvas. Start by choosing a theme or style for your landscape. It could be a tranquil Japanese garden, a vibrant tropical oasis, or a classic English cottage garden. The choice is yours, and it should reflect your personality and preferences. Next, select plants, trees, and other features that fit your chosen style. If you're going for a tropical theme, consider lush greenery like palms or ferns. For a Japanese garden, think about adding zen elements like a koi pond or a rock garden. Remember, your landscape is not just about beauty, it's also about functionality. Consider how you'll use the space. Are you creating a peaceful retreat, a space for kids to play, or a venue for outdoor entertaining? With a solid plan in place, you're one step closer to your dream landscape. With a plan in hand, it's time to bring your landscape vision to life. This is where the rubber meets the road, or rather, where the shovel meets the soil. It starts with preparing the ground. This isn't just about digging holes, it's about ensuring the soil is right for your plants. Next, it's time to plant. This is when you'll truly start to see your design take form. Whether you're planting a single tree or an entire flower bed, each addition is a step closer to your dream landscape. Don't forget about installing features. A well-placed bench or a beautiful water feature can be the cherry on top of your design. Remember, this process requires patience and persistence. It won't all come together in a day, but with each passing day you'll see more and more of your vision come to life. While the process may be labor-intensive, the result is a stunning landscape that's worth every bit of effort. A well-maintained landscape is a joy to behold. It's not just about creating a beautiful space, but also about preserving its beauty over time. Regular maintenance is the key to a long-lasting, vibrant landscape. One of the critical tasks in landscape maintenance is watering. It's important to ensure that your plants receive the right amount of water, not too much or too little. Next up, we have pruning. Pruning helps in removing dead or damaged parts of plants, promoting healthier growth and maintaining their shape. Fertilizing is another essential aspect of landscape maintenance. It provides the necessary nutrients to the soil, leading to healthier and more vibrant plants. Finally, pest control. Pests can damage your plants and ruin the beauty of your landscape. Regular pest control measures can help keep these unwanted visitors at bay. Proper maintenance ensures the longevity of your landscape, keeping it beautiful and enjoyable for years to come. With regular maintenance, your landscape will continue to be a source of joy and pride. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.